Alright, hope you are having a fantastic today. Today I'm going to show you the MAXPEDITION Pico pouch. And this thing is incredible. If you see the paid promotion thing up in the corner, all that means is they sent it out to me to review and share with you. So you can watch the video, I'll give the dimensions at the end, and you can decide for yourself whether you want to order it. If you want to use the associate links I have in the description, or if you want to buy me a cup of coffee, it'd be much appreciated. But like, subscribe, comment, share, that all helps me beat that algorithm, and it's all appreciated. So the Pico is the, I guess you could call it the baby of the MAXPEDITION family. I'll just show two or three pouches here. You got the Pico, you got the Micro, you got the Mini, and then you got the Fatty, and of course the Fatty gets thicker as well. I do have an EDC, but for not having to put all of them out and camera angle and whatnot, and you got the Beefy. And you can see the Pico is why I call it the baby of the family. It is really small, and that is perfect. So the specs from MAXPEDITION, it's a 3 by 5 inch pouch with 500 Jadir nylon. It's got genuine YKK zips, and you got a 2 by 3.5 inch hook and loop on the back for your morale patches, and it's available in black, OD green, khaki, wolf gray, my favorite, and multicam. And the quality on it, if you've owned a MAXPEDITION pouch, yeah, you know what I'm talking about. It's MAXPEDITION pouches are, and just MAXPEDITION products in general, are just built like a tank, solidly built. Stitches are always great. You don't ever really have to worry about the quality of a MAXPEDITION pouch. So let's get into this thing. So the front pocket. So I've always complained about the mesh pockets. I know in a lot of my videos, this one doesn't actually have the Velcro on it. It's just a slip pocket. And this one is tight enough. And for this Boo Boo airline kit that I have, like I said, I thought about a wallet, but I kind of went with this Boo Boo airline kit, which was in a pouch about the same size as the Mini, but just not, the thin part, obviously not the double decker size, but that took up a lot of room. I had to carry a larger sling if I did a weekend trip. So putting everything in this Pico pouch will allow me to carry it in a smaller sling on a weekend. I don't have to pull out a big sling. It'll fit in my personal item with the airlines keep shrinking it. Hopefully they don't shrink it anymore. It'll make it easier to pack my game pouch, my full frame camera with the long lens and blah, blah, blah. It'll just make packing so much easier and carrying on the weekends so much easier. And of course it goes in my MAXPEDITION Falcon 2 backpack on the weekdays. So on this front pocket, I always grab the sanitizing wipes if the airlines provide them. They're not doing that as often now. If they are handing them out, I'll definitely grab one or two. And because they're a nice larger size than the Purell ones that you can get. And then on the inside, I don't have a patch on here yet. I just got to decide which one I put. So when I open it up with the kind of Boo Boo kit and just the essentials kit, I throw in some contacts, and these clamshell together really nice, but I still use some scotch tape just to hold them together. On this left side, I just carry a tweezers in case we get a sliver or anything. Now I've got a credit card style sleeve here with a Boo Boo kit, I've got some Purell wipes. I've got a sewing kit. Definitely carry one of these. Our bag broke, the strap broke on our last trip, and I was able to sew it. How I cut the thread was a different story. That was interesting, which is why I got these. And I have one lens wipe. I have less lens wipes because really all I wear is sunglasses. It's something really bad has to go wrong with the contacts to actually break up the glasses. But yeah, I had the travel scissors. These I will add a link for, but they work and they cut really good, but they are just a little, they're tight to open. The flip side is if they're tight to open, that means when you open them, they stay open. So while they're a little bit of a pain to open, I guess I can appreciate the stiffness of the opening, because then when you open them, they don't, start to close as you're trying to use them. So I will forgive just the difficulty you have in opening them initially. Once you get used to them, it's not that bad. Enough on the scissors because this video is about the pouch. But yeah, I do carry some gut meds just in case we get some bad food. Hope I never have to use them. And then I do carry generic Sudafed. It's a great, still one of the best decongestants. But if you travel certain places, it's illegal. So definitely check the laws if you're traveling overseas or outside of the US. Now on this side, I have 3 shout wipes in there. Have some more Purell wipes in there, some wet ones, and that should be it. But I get all of that, which provides a lot of functionality on the daily, on vacations, just whenever you need it, it's there. So it's really nice to have it in a compact form factor. So if you're looking for a small pouch that can carry a lot, definitely check out the MAXPEDITION Pico. And as promised, I've got the dimensions. I bet you thought I forgot. So we got the dimensions. And there you go. Like I said, if you enjoyed, again, like, subscribe, all that crazy stuff, and have a great one. Take care.